Have you ever found the perfect resource for your project only to find that the library doesn't own it? While Morse Library has access to hundreds of thousands of books, articles, and journals, we don't own everything. Interlibrary Loan is a service that helps bridge the gap between what we have and what you need. You can request books, articles, DVDs, or CDs through Interlibrary Loan. And as a Beloit College student, faculty, or staff member, you're able to use this service. When you found a book you want in the library catalog, click on the book title, and then you'll simply click on Request through Interlibrary Loan. Next, log into your library account with your Beloit College username and password. Fill out the last couple of boxes and hit Submit. You will receive an email when the item is ready to be picked up from the information desk. Article requests are made through the databases. After you click on Find It, you will be taken to our link resolver. If we have access to the article in another database, that will show up in the first section. If we don't have access, click Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. Once your request is processed, you will get an email which includes instructions for how to access and download the article. Articles you request will be shared via PDF. Have questions about Interlibrary Loan? Please email, chat, or head to our Request Materials tab on the library's website.